Hello, my name is Insify, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a open and close GUI on Roblox. First, you add a screen GUI into Starter GUI. Then you add a frame, and customize it however you'd like. For example, I'm going to make the frame bigger. Then I'm going to make it borderless. Then after that I'm going to make it gray, and add a text label. For now I'm gonna skip to the important part. So now what you have to do is add a text button inside the screen GUI, then you will add a local script inside of the text button. After you add the local script, we will start to script it. Just copy everything I write and trust me, the script will work. Skip to 238 to see the finalized script, or you can follow along with me. Okay, now we have finished the script. All you have to do is go into the frame's properties and just turn off visible, then you can go ahead and test it. There you go, you now have a functional open and close GUI. If you want to see more content like this, just subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a blessed day.